Welcome, my audience, in a new video where we discuss about the topic. The title is Unleashing the Power of Consistency, Mastering Your Niche for Massive Success. In today's fast-paced world, carving out your own space in the digital landscape can be both thrilling and overwhelming. The key to success lies in identifying a niche that aligns with your passion, and then working with unwavering consistency to achieve remarkable results. In this video, we'll explore the process of picking a niche, discuss the importance of consistency, and unveil strategies to help you earn a massive amount from your efforts. 1. Discover your passionate niche. The first step towards building a successful online presence is identifying a niche that you genuinely care about. Your passion will be the fuel that keeps you motivated and driven to work consistently. Reflect on your interests, skills, and experiences to determine a niche that excites you. Remember, authenticity is key, as it will enable you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. 2. Research and validate. Once you've identified your niche, it's crucial to conduct thorough research to validate its viability. Look for existing demand and competition within the niche, paying attention to audience engagement, market trends, and potential monetization opportunities. By understanding your niche's landscape, you can tailor your content and offerings to meet the needs and preferences of your target audience effectively. 3. Craft your unique value proposition. To stand out in a saturated digital space, you must develop a unique value proposition, UVP, that differentiates you from the competition. Determine what makes your content or product unique, and emphasize those qualities in your marketing efforts. Your UVP should resonate with your target audience and convince them that your offerings are indispensable. Focus on providing value and solving their problems, and you'll have a loyal following in no time. 4. Embrace the power of consistency. Consistency is the secret ingredient that transforms ordinary efforts into extraordinary achievements. Set a regular schedule for creating and sharing content, whether it's writing blog posts, producing videos, or engaging on social media. By showing up consistently, you build trust with your audience and establish yourself as an authority figure in your niche. Remember, success rarely happens overnight, but the cumulative effect of consistent efforts will undoubtedly yield massive results over time. 5. Diversify your revenue streams. While consistency is crucial, it's also essential to explore multiple revenue streams within your niche. Relying solely on one income source can limit your potential earnings. Consider options such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, product creation, or even coaching and consulting services. Diversifying your revenue streams not only boosts your income but also strengthens your brand's resilience against market fluctuations. 6. Engage and collaborate. Building a thriving online presence requires active engagement with your audience and collaboration with fellow influencers and professionals in your niche. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and emails, and encourage discussions around your content. Engaging with your audience fosters loyalty and a sense of community. Collaboration opens doors to new opportunities, expands your reach, and exposes you to fresh perspectives. 7. Continual growth and adaptation. The digital landscape is ever-evolving, and to maintain your success, you must embrace continual growth and adaptation. Stay updated on industry trends, attend conferences or webinars, and invest in your personal and professional development. By continuously expanding your knowledge and skill set, you position yourself as a thought leader within your niche, ensuring that your content remains relevant and valuable. Conclusion. Picking a niche, working with unwavering consistency, and diversifying your revenue streams are the pillars of success in the digital world. By combining passion with perseverance, you can unlock your full potential and create an online presence that generates a massive amount of earnings. Remember, success is a journey, and with the right mindset and dedication, the possibilities are limitless. So, go out there, find your niche, and let consistency lead you to extraordinary achievements.